In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Google Drive files by date modified. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, so your most recently updated files rise to the top, saving you time when you're working fast or picking up where you left off. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so that Drive can load your files. At the top right of the Google homepage, look for the grid-shaped icon made up of small dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google services. In the Apps panel, find and click Drive. This takes you straight to your Google Drive, where you'll see your folders and files. The layout usually shows a navigation panel on the left and your files in the main area. If your view is set to grid or list, don't worry. Sorting works the same way in either view. Now, look toward the top right of your file area for the sort control. Depending on your screen size and view, it may appear as a button labeled Sort or as an icon with letters and an arrow. Click that sort control to open your sorting options. This menu is where you can choose how Drive orders your files. From the list of options, choose Date Modified. In some interfaces, it may be labeled Last Modified, but it means the same thing. Drive will order your files based on the most recent change made to them, whether that was an edit, a rename, or a movie. As soon as you select it, the file list refreshes so the items you or collaborators recently changed appear at the top. This is especially helpful for active projects, shared folders, or files you update frequently throughout the day. If you prefer older items first, look for the small arrow that indicates sort direction. Drive lets you reverse the order so you can see the earliest modified files at the top. Also note that sorting by date modified affects the current folder or view you're in, including shared drives and folders, so you get consistent behavior wherever you're working. That's all there is to it. You opened Google, used the Apps Launcher to get into Drive, clicked the sort control, and selected Date Modified to instantly organize your files by their most recent changes. Keep this setting in mind whenever you jump back into a project. It's a simple click that makes finding your latest work much faster. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Google Drive.